Welcome to Glittershinenails. Featuring in this video are 3 stunning MoYou London stamping plates that I recently purchased. And in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing them. You'll be able to find all the information on these plates in the description box below. The 3 stamping plates I purchased are Henna 05, Mandala 14 and Minimal 07. For all of my swatches I've used my Tiffany Duo clear stamper along with my usual mix of stamping polishes that I like to use. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These really help out my channel, thank you. I'll begin with Henna 05 and there is 18 absolutely stunning designs. Now with my swatches I've placed them at the top of the pop stick as that's where I feel that they're meant to be. I might be wrong, but that's where I like to see them. Each design is just packed with full-on detail. Now I personally can't think of any other stamping plates in my collection which is like this one, but it is definitely going to make some fantastic manis. With these designs you could add extra bits of tiny gems, tiny bits of glitter or even some colour. This would really make the manis go from fantastic to utterly amazing, and that is definitely something that and the next time I use this plate I want to try my small clear stamper with these plates. As the images are quite small, I do wonder if I might get on a little bit better with the smaller stamper. Not that I've had any problems with this plate. For me it has swatched great and I love all of the swatches. It's just something that I now want to try. I have made a mani for each of the plates in this video. For the mani I've used a light blue nail polish that I had that needed a mani, and I used Born Pretty stamping polish number 35 for the stamp. Now I don't think they look too bad. They could have been a little clearer, but even though it is the same design on every finger, you could easily add some bling to jazz this up. Mandala 14 is another beautiful stamping plate filled with 18 very classy designs. Now I'm rubbish at freehand, but I've always wanted to do designs like this plate, so that's why I purchased it. Again, I've swatched the images and I've placed them at the top of the pop sticks, but just like Henna 05, you could still add some bits and pieces to these designs. I would however be more inclined to just use gems though, and I would like to try my small clear stamper for the smaller designs like on row 3 and 5. But I absolutely love this plate, and again I can't think of any other plate I own like this off the top of my head, and I can't wait to get back to it either. And I would now like to see what else is in the Henna, Mandala and Minimal ranges. These are definitely ranges that I really do like for my manis. And speaking of manis, I had this amazing dark blue nail polish needing a mani, and I felt the polish and the plate would work really well together. Now I've used 4 images for this mani. I've used all of the top row and I've used the middle one on row 4. Now I absolutely adore this mani and it's probably something I would recreate again. Minimal 07 is quite an unusual stamping plate, but the designs like these are very popular for manis in the nail world right now. Again, there is 18 designs ranging from the really long to the really tiny. Now for the really long ones on each side of the plate, I've taken 3 swatches from them. One at the top, one in the middle and then one at the bottom. I basically wanted to see what they would look like being all split up. And again, my main reason for purchasing this plate is because I love the designs, but because I am rubbish at freehand, this plate would create some amazing manis with these types of images in the mani, but because they were all freehand, I wasn't able to do them. But with this plate, I can include them in. I've really enjoyed all 5 of these stamping plates that I purchased from MoYou London, and I can actually remember that it was a tropical stamping plate. I think it was number 12 that I'd received in a subscription box that made me start glittershinenails, and that was almost 3 years ago. Now for the mani, I had a grey nail polish, again needing a mani, and I felt that grey was a good minimal colour. So what I've done for this mani is I've used a different image for each nail. I probably wouldn't do this for a mani. I just wanted to show you what they were like on a nail, but please excuse the very squiffy thumbnail placement. I don't know what was going on there. Onto some live swatching, and I'll be using my Born Pretty dual clear and white headed stamper and a scraper, my Born Pretty black stamping polish, and I'll just be taking some random swatches across the plates and I'll be placing them onto my lint roller. Now make sure you're following me on Instagram, as I've just started using Insta stories over there for things like nail mail and other bits and pieces, but it's also where I'll be putting information like for postponed YouTube videos. There is now also a link in the description box for my Instagram page as well. Now these plates have been so easy to work with, so whether you're just beginning to stamp or have been stamping for some time, MoYou London do some absolutely stunning plates. All of these I'm excited to return to in time and also see what else MoYou London have. And if I do purchase any, I will of course bring them to my channel. The other 2 stamping plates I uploaded the other day, and if you've missed that, you can find that in my MoYou London playlist. The stamping polishes I've used across all 5 stamping plates are the Born Pretty, Colour Alike, Hit the Bottle, Nicole Diary and MoYou London, and they have all worked absolutely perfectly. So thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 3 stamping plates from MoYou London. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button and share. And also don't forget to come over and follow me on Instagram at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.